Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Mini Monday! We're back at it. I hope that you all enjoyed your Easter. We truly enjoyed ours. So yeah, I'm really glad the way that things turned out for us. Let's go to what we're stuffing today. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I have $50 today. 50 of them. So excited about it. For those of you who are interested in knowing, I did receive my state tax refund, and I mentioned this before, and partly what I've done with it is I paid up my bills for a few months, so it freed up a little bit of cash throughout my week, what I've paid. So I'm just literally putting money for my rent and my weekly expenses, and then savings, of course. So it's actually been really nice to have that extra money and not so stressed about those funds and keeping up track of those bills. Okay, so what we'll do today is, I think I have an IOU in, I do. I have an IOU for $4. And so I'm going to go ahead and take that out of here, and I am going to put $4. Just because it was an IOU, I want to take care of that. Okay, perfect. So now what we will do is roll the dice to see how much money each savings challenge is going to get. I think we'll go over where I got the savings challenges from once we distribute all the cash. So let's see here. $5, $6, $1, $2, $4. Oh, okay. This one is a scratch and save. So the dice doesn't necessarily count for this one. Oh, look at that. I rolled a 4 and I scratched a 4. Guess it was meant to be. $4. What am I doing? Okay. Alright, and this one is a roll and save, so we're just going to see how much we're going to save. $2? I got $2 last time. Alright. And scratch and save. Let's scratch this one over here. $1. All right. All right, so it looks like we still have plenty of cash to roll around in. So we'll go back to the beginning here. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. How about we take a 5 and then put the 2 here? All right. Okay. Scratch. We haven't gotten the 5 yet. Oh, it would be okay if we got the 5 right now. 5. Which one's the 5? Which one is... I was just going to go in order. Yes! I followed my gut instinct. 5. Yes. Okay. I hate to get 5 and, you know, we're almost out of cash. All right. Let's see here. Roll and save. We have a 5 over there. Let's do it. 6. Okay. This marker takes a while to dry, so let's see if we can hold it there. All right, we got to scratch and say, oh my goodness, we only have $3 left. because I have a couple bucks, but I don't want to use that. Okay. Ugh. And it's a scratch and save. Okay. Which one's $3? Can you guys I need to buy a lottery ticket. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? I could see if it came from my shop and I made it, or that is so stinking incredible. All right, I guess we'll start here. We're adding $2, $3, $4, $5. So wonderful. So in total now we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 doll hairs. Yes. Oh my goodness, that is so incredible. I love it when that happens. No IOUs this week. And this Roland's, let's rewind. I did not mention this cute little kitty is from Ellie on Earth. She has a mailing list. So make sure you check out her channel and join her mailing list if you're interested in getting some cool freebies. Next up, we have Budget for Success. And we are adding $5, $6, $7, $8 today. So now in total we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 saved. All right, and this 54321 challenge is from Foxy Finances. She actually reached out to me via email, and told me that she was interested in sending me a couple things, and this came in the mail. So I decided, let me use it. So she sent it to me as a freebie. I'm not certain if it is a freebie, but definitely check out her shop and see what she has. So we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 we're adding here today, which gives us a total of $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11 so far. I love the low numbers because it gives me an opportunity to actually save. All right, next up, we have $5 going into this savings challenge from Books and Finance and Budget with PJ. It was a collaboration. All right, we're adding $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so in total now we have $5, $6, $7, $8. Okay, so next one we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this savings challenge is from Batty Bankroll. Love, love, love the Easter savings challenges I found this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, then we've got $5, $6, $7 going into this savings challenge from Save with Rose. I said 7, correct? I did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's just do 5, 6, 7. So we have a couple more eggs to go. I didn't realize it was I missed the cross. Almost done. Okay, that's perfect though. We'll make it happen. So in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 doll hairs so far. All right, and this beauty has 5, 6, 7, 8. This savings challenge is from Hop Into Budget with Bunny. It's so cute. All right, and I said 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, all right, so we completed this savings challenge, and it saved us a total of $5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 is what we saved today with the savings challenge. All right, so what I'll do is, I won't do that on camera. I'm just going to move that envelope to the back, but that's not necessary. What I do want to make sure I take care of is put this money into my sinking funds binder envelope where I am stashing my cash until I'm ready to do a cash stuffing. Be right back. Alright, so I grabbed my envelope and my sinking funds are very, very low. It's pretty common because my sinking funds are not necessarily long-term savings. They are to give us a little wiggle room to spend money. So it helps quite a bit when it comes down to keeping my budget on track. And then also not missing out on life. So we're going to go ahead and add these funds here. And hopefully this week we will see a small sinking funds cash stuffing. I was thinking about waiting until I stack it up a little bit more, but I think we're almost to that point where we can get a sinking funds cash stuffing taken care of. We completed one savings challenge, and I want to thank all of the ladies who have offered up freebies. I do truly appreciate it. I cannot express enough how awesome it is to be able to save and have fun saving, and also see all the cute savings challenges in rotation on all the channels because they are accessible for everybody. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.